Introduce highlight features or overview summary for DNYSYSJ 52cc Handheld Sweeper, 2-stroke gas power sweeping broom, single-cylinder walk-behind sweeper. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: professional cleaning ability. The brush head of this gas power sweeping broom is made of high-quality nylon material and is suitable for cleaning light debris from hard surfaces. Dense nylon bristles make it easy to restore your course to a clean and tidy condition. The powerful 1.7 kW, 2.3 HP engine with a 20.47-inch sweeping width and roll-able brush head achieves minimal resistance when cleaning, saving you time and effort. The brush head is equipped with a protective cover to protect you from dust. We also equip you with goggles to keep you safe. In addition, it has a portable carrying strap designed as a lumbar protection belt, which can save your strength while protecting your back. This gas power sweeping broom has a new air filter with double-layer sponge filtration to provide you with a more thorough blocking of dust. The engine of this gas power sweeping broom uses an air-cooled engine, plus large heat sink holes to give it good heat dissipation to maintain its good performance. This gas power sweeping broom has an internal silencer designed so that it does not produce too much noise when working. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.